It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the first day of April. I'm Michael Groff. Welcome to the dry season. The 3 driest months of the year are ahead of us. April is the 3rd driest, so will we see any rain? Let's talk about all that and everything else as we look outside this morning. A few clouds in the valley right now at 8 o'clock, 56 degrees to start the day at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 36, humidity 48%. The winds from the northeast at 9. Barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area, how about 37 at Fort McDowell, 45 at Buckeye. Temperatures are quickly climbing, though, and we'll top out in the 70s later today. Satellite picture shows an upper low spinning over eastern Arizona, and there are some clouds associated with that. The watch warning map is extremely quiet. Some lake wind advisories, northeast Texas. A few winter weather advisories out here in the west through the Rockies. Some winter storm warnings continue in parts of the northeast, but most of that snow will be winding down. The convective outlook, some active weather later today. The standard slight risk of severe storms from around Del Rio and San Angelo north to Wichita Falls, Texas, and a marginal risk for places like Dallas, Fort Worth. So let's talk about our weather and look at the models. Here's the GFS. The 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. The upper low continues to spin over eastern Arizona. And very cold air aloft at 500 millibars. Temperatures around minus 25, minus 26 Celsius. So with the heat of the day, that cold air, and limited moisture, a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm, especially east of the valley. Here in town today, I think we do have a slight chance of showers. And I would say slight, italicized and underlined, but still a small chance nonetheless. You could even hear a rumble of thunder. If we do see anything at all, it'd be very isolated and rather light. Highs today, absolutely beautiful day with some northeasterly breezes, 10 to 20 miles per hour. We'll get up into the lower and middle 70s this afternoon. A perfect day. I don't know how many more of these we have left until fall, so get out and enjoy it. Tonight, few clouds around, but it'll be pleasant. Lows mid-40s to mid-50s. And then tomorrow, high pressure builds back in. The rain's out of here. That low is well off into Texas. Highs tomorrow should get up into the low and middle 80s. The sky mostly sunny. Then on Monday, forecast gets a little bit tricky. Now, the GFS shows a 1001 millibar low just southeast of Lake Havasu City Monday afternoon. So it'd be breezy, and there's some rain wrapping around that feature behind it there, around Las Vegas and heading up into Utah and Colorado. Some very high elevation snow with that feature, but I just don't think we're going to see a whole lot here if anything happens. Some increasing clouds, certainly some breezes, highs mid-80s on Monday. Then let's look at the European. And on Monday afternoon, it actually has that surface low right over the top of Phoenix, and the moisture a little bit further south, and maybe, again, a very isolated shower possible here in the valley Monday afternoon, Monday night. Better chances of rain in northern Arizona heading into southern Nevada. Either way, even best case scenario, I don't think we see a whole lot, but could see a trace of rain, maybe a little bit of rain here Monday afternoon, Monday night into early Tuesday. Then by Tuesday, that system's off into the panhandle of Texas, and we're looking like just maybe a few showers in eastern Arizona, a little bit of a breeze. High temps a little bit cooler. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s. Same for Wednesday, upper 70s to about 80. The sky becoming mostly sunny. Thursday, we should be in the low and middle 80s. Some of the models had suggested a bit warmer, but it doesn't look like the ridge is going to become quite as strong as initially thought. Friday, we look like we're still in the upper 80s to about 90. And again, the sky mostly sunny, a dry air mass. Some winds picking up in Southern California. We'll watch that. And then here's a week from today, Saturday, April 8th. Pretty deep trough off the Pacific Northwest coast. But around here, zonal flow, maybe some increase in clouds. Temperatures warm, but not overly bad. Upper 80s. Here's Sunday, the 9th. That trough continues to deepen over the Pacific Northwest. Upper heights, see those coming down just a bit, and I think there would be an increase in clouds, and temperatures may fall back into the low 80s. Some of the models suggest cooler than that. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Monday, April the 10th. And the upper heights continue to come down. Most of the energy stays north of Arizona, so I don't know if we have any precipitation chances with this, but certainly temperatures would be held in check and, in fact, could even go below normal if this verifies. For now, I would say upper 70s and low 80s are still a pretty good bet out there. Let's look at numbers off of the European through the period. Beautiful today. Even tomorrow should be nice. And then we'll have a little dip in temperatures on Tuesday. You see, Thursday, Friday still warm. And then again, next weekend could cool it off just a bit. We'll see how that plays out. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video should be back here tomorrow morning. We appreciate you watching as always. And have a great Saturday.